Hello, thank you for clicking on this video, and today we will learn how to juggle with 3 balls.
Step 1.
Wow.
Step 2. Step 3.
Wow.
Step 4. Step 5.
I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please like, and if you have some suggestions, please comment, and also if you want to see future videos, please do subscribe. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Juggling with 3 balls is a good practice for your hand-eye coordination and concentration, but I learned this skill because I wanted to impress people in the parties and make new friends because I don't have friends.